Hello all, welcome back. Today we can see some problems on derivatives of inverse of a function. We know derivative of a function at a point is nothing but slope of tangent of that function at that point. So we can see problems. Please do subscribe to our channel. See the first question. Let f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 1, x greater than or equal to 2. Find the value of df inverse by dx at a x is equal to minus 1, which is equal to f of 3. We have to find df inverse by dx. We have given f. We know the formula df inverse by dx at a x is equal to f of a, which is equal to 1 by df by dx at a x is equal to a. We have discussed this formula in the previous video. I will share the link in the description. That is, derivative of a function and its inverses are reciprocal of one another. So we can find df by dx. We have f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 1. So df by dx is equal to d by dx of this function, that is 3x square minus 3 into 2x, that is 6x minus 0. So df by dx at x is equal to a. A is, to find df inverse by dx at f of a, we have to find df by dx at x is equal to a. Here f of 3. So a is 3. At x is equal to 3 is, substitute x is equal to 3. That is 3 into 3 square. That is 9 minus 6 into 3. That is 3 into 9 is 27 minus 18, which is equal to 9. So what will be df inverse by dx at x is equal to f of 3? It will be 1 by 9. So our required derivative is at x is equal to f of 3 is equal to 1 by 9. Here we get df inverse by dx without finding f inverse. Here we don't know what is f inverse, but we can find df inverse by dx. Next question, similar question. Let f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 5, x greater than 2. Find the value of df inverse by dx at x is equal to 0, which is equal to f of 5. So we know df inverse by dx at x is equal to f of a is equal to 1 by df by dx at x is equal to a. So we can find df by dx at x is equal to a. A here is 5. So df by dx is equal to f is x square minus 4x minus 5. That is 2x minus 4 into d by dx of x is 1 minus 4. At x is equal to 5, this is, substitute x is equal to 5. That is 2 into 5. That is 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. So df inverse by dx at x is equal to f of 5, which is equal to 0, given equal to 1 by 6. Simple, right? This question you may be asked like find the slope of tangent of inverse of this function at the point x is equal to 0. They are also the same way. 1 by 6. Slope of tangent of inverse of this function at x is equal to 0 is 1 by 6. Keep in mind. Next question. Suppose that the differentiable function y equal to f of x has an inverse and that the graph of f passes to the points 2, 4 and has a slope of 1 by 3 there. Find the value of df inverse by dx at x is equal to 4. We have given f is differentiable, that is df by dx existed, and also f has an inverse, that is f inverse existed. Also graph of f passes through the points 2, 4, that is f passes through this point and at this point it has a slope 1 by 3. Slope of this function at this point is nothing but slope of tangent at that point, that is derivative of f at this point is 1 by 3. So we can write, given df by dx at x is equal to, here x is 2 and y is or f of 2 is 4. So at x is equal to 2 is 1 by 3. This is given. Slope of f at the point 24 is nothing but derivative of f at x is equal to 2, which is equal to 1 by 3. We have to find df inverse by dx at x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, that is f of 2. F of 2 is 4. 2 4 means f of 2 is 4. So df inverse by dx at x is equal to 4 or f of 2 is equal to 1 by df by dx at x is equal to 2, which is 1 by 3, that is equal to 3. Simple, right? Question you may see like difficult, but answer is very simple. So you have to remember this concept only. Next, a similar question. Suppose that the differentiable function y equal to g of x has an inverse and that the graph of g passes through the origin with a slope 2. So given dg by dx at x is equal to 0. It passes through the origin means point is 0, 0. Here slope of g is 2, that is dg by dx at origin is 2. We have to find slope of graph of g inverse. So we have to find dg inverse by dx at the origin, that is at x is equal to 0. It passes through the origin means at x is equal to 0, y equal to f of 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to 1 by dg by dx at x is equal to 0, which is equal to 1 by dg by dx is 2. So we can say slope of g inverse at x is equal to 0 is 1 by 2. Next question. Find the inverse of the function f of x is equal to mx, where m is a constant different from 0. Here, to find the inverse, given f of x is equal to mx, or we can say y is equal to mx. To find the inverse, we can express x in terms of y, that is x is equal to 1 by m into y. So f inverse of x is equal to interchange x and y. So 1 by m into x. So if f is a line with a slope m, then its inverse is a line with a slope 1 by m. B part. What can you conclude about the inverse of a function y equal to f of x whose graph is a line through the origin with a non-zero slope m? Same question here. This is a line with a slope m, non-zero m, and passing through the origin. Here y-intercept is 0. It passes to the origin. So its inverse is nothing but a line that passes through origin and its slope is 1 by n. So we can say the graph of f inverse of x is a line through the origin. Here y-intercept is 0. Through the origin with the slope 1 by n. You know equation of a line is of the form y equal to mx plus c with the slope m and y-intercept c, that is it passes through the point 0, c. Here c is 0, that is it passes through the point 0, 0, that is origin. Next question. Show that the graph of the inverse of f of x is equal to mx plus b, where m and b are constant and m not equal to 0 is a line with a slope 1 by m and a y-intercept minus b by m. We have to find the inverse of f of x is equal to mx plus b. F of x is equal to mx plus b. So what is inverse? To find inverse, just express x in terms of y. This is nothing but y equal to mx plus b. Expressing x in terms of y, we get mx is equal to y minus b, or x is equal to y minus b by m, that is 1 by m into y minus b by m. So this is f inverse. Interchange x and y. F inverse of x is equal to 1 by m into x minus b by m. So we can say f inverse of x is a line. We know the equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c with the slope m and a y-intercept c. Here slope is 1 by m and a y-intercept c is minus b by m. So we can say inverse of the line mx plus b is a line with the slope 1 by m and a y-intercept minus b by m. Next question, find the inverse of f of x is equal to x plus 1. Graph f and its inverse together. Add the line y equal to x to your graph. Here f of x is equal to x plus 1. To find the inverse, just write y is equal to x plus 1. Express x in terms of y, that is x is equal to y minus 1. That is f inverse of x is equal to interchange x and y, x minus 1. So f inverse of x is x minus 1. That is f of x is a line with the slope 1 and a y-intercept 1. Then f inverse of x is a line with the slope 1 by 1, that is 1 itself, and a y-intercept minus c by m, that is minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. We have to graph f and its inverse. So we can see the coordinate to find the graph. So when x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 2. Enough, we can draw 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. So minus 1, 0 is a point, 0, 1 is a point, 1, 2 is a point. So this is the graph of f of x. And what will be the graph of f inverse of x? We know graph of f and f inverse are symmetric about the line y equal to x. Or we can say the points of f of x reverses in the graph of f inverse of x. So if minus 1, 0 is a point in f of x, 0, minus 1 is a point in f inverse of x. Like that we can say 0, minus 1 and this point become 1, 0. This is 2, 1. So this will be the graph of f inverse of x. I am making a rough sketch, okay. This is f inverse of x and you can draw the line y equal to x. Y equal to x is 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 2, etc. So this is the line y equal to x. Next question, find the inverse of f of x is equal to x plus b. Here f of x is equal to x plus 1, inverse is x minus 1. So here f inverse of x is equal to x minus b. Just you can find y equal to x plus b, then express x in terms of y, that is y minus b. That is f inverse of x is equal to interchange x and y, x minus b. So f inverse of x is x minus b. How is the graph of f inverse related to the graph of f? Here this will become, here x plus 1 and x minus 1, this will become x plus b for any value b. Then we can say the graph will be parallel to one another and lie in opposite side of the line y equal to x. Here this is the line y equal to x, this is the graph of f and this is the graph of f inverse. Also equidistant, this distance will be same, equidistant from the line y equal to x. So I will write, so we can write the graphs will be parallel to one another and lie on the opposite side of the line y equal to x, equidistant from that line. Last question, A part, find the inverse of f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. So we can find the inverse, we can write y equal to minus x plus 1. Express x in terms of y. We can write minus x is equal to y minus 1 or x is equal to minus of y minus 1. That is minus y plus 1. So we can say f inverse of x is equal to interchange x and y, minus x plus 1. Graph the line y equal to minus x plus 1 together with the line y equal to x. Here see f of x and f inverse of x are same. Now we can graph this function. When x is equal to 0, the point is 0, 1. When x is equal to 1, the point becomes minus 1 plus 1, 0. That is 1, 0. When x is equal to minus 1, minus of minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 1, 2 is another point. So we can draw the graph. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So the point is minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2, this point. 0, 1, this point. And 1, 0, this point. Like that we can draw other points also. So this is the graph of f of x. Now we can draw the line y equal to x. So 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, like that. Minus 2, minus 2. So this is the line y equal to x. Next part, at what points do the line intersect? Here we can say the angle. They intersect at a right angle at a 90 degree. You can easily say here the line is y equal to x. That is slope is 1. And here the line is minus x plus 1. That is slope is minus 1. So we can say m1 into m2 is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Then they are perpendicular. This you have studied in your earlier classes. B part, find the inverse of f of x is equal to minus x plus b. What angle does the line y equal to minus x plus b make with the line y equal to x? Here f of x is equal to minus x plus b. Just instead of 1 make a b. So it will be minus x is equal to y minus b. That is x is equal to minus y plus b. That is f inverse of x is equal to minus x plus b. That is f and f inverse is the same function. Next, what angle does the line y equal to minus x plus b make with the line y equal to x? In the line y equal to x, we know slope is 1, and in this line slope is minus 1. So their product is 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. If product of two slope is minus 1, then they are perpendicular. So what angle? So we can say it makes 90 degree. Next C part, what can you conclude about the inverses of functions whose graphs are lines perpendicular to the line y equal to x? So what can you conclude about this function and their inverse? Here this function is a line perpendicular to the line y equal to x. Here see their inverses is same. So we can say inverses of functions whose graphs are lines perpendicular to the line y equal to x is the function itself. I will write. That is inverse of functions whose graphs are lines perpendicular to the line y equal to x is the function itself. So this is all about today. See you with another video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye. If you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, save and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.